Good afternoon, everybody. It is Monday, May 27th, 2019. It is Memorial Day. Let's take a minute to remember all the armed forces members that have lost their lives serving our country. How much we appreciate them and remember them and thank them. Alright guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show, and we are empty here at Johnstown, PA. We've already gotten pretty much ready to leave here. Just checking the pins on the trailer. Doors are already closed up. Yeah, it's early afternoon, and we're going to get heading back down towards Breinigsville here shortly. Hey, we'll do a drop and hook in Breinigsville, and we'll be heading up to Greece. I think I said Henrietta I was going to, but I was mistaken. I'm going to Greece, New York. So we'll do that drop and hook and head up to Greece. Yeah, it should be up there a lot earlier than we got here last night. Or early this morning, I should say. Okay guys, we are rolling out of Johnstown. Headed back down towards Breinigsville. 240 miles to go. Should be in there a little after 7 p.m. tonight, depending on traffic. Probably be a busy traffic day. It is Monday, Memorial Day. A lot of people will be headed home. Hope everybody had a good holiday weekend. Now you're seeing this a week later, but still, hope you had a good holiday weekend. Pretty nice day here today in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. It's 78 degrees. Humidity is down from what it was. A little bit of a breeze going on. Pretty nice day. There's just been so much rain lately. The nice days have been far and few. We just got to get on this 219 north up here. Take that back up to 22, up to 99. Take 99 up to 80. Back over towards Breinigsville. I was looking on the traffic map before I left, and it looked like there was an accident up there on 80, so we'll keep our eye on that. If it doesn't look like it's going to be clearing up, there is an alternate way I can go. We'll just keep an eye on it, see what happens. We're still hour and a half away from where that's at. Could be a lot different by the time we get there. Anyway, we will be getting on the highway here, so we're going to let you go for now. Enjoy the ride back to Breinigsville, and we will talk to you then.
change this song into something beautiful, like the beauty that we've seen. I'm asking you, lover, why do you have to be so mean? And as we go, let's get close, don't fool me. You're the only one who sees right through me. And when I call you on my knees, I'm asking you, lover, we can do better than this. I know I can do better if we could only find a way. Tell me, darling, do you ever think of me that way? Just want you to hold me closer than ever. Let's get to this sad and lonely road to emptiness. And why don't you hold me? Please don't say never. And all I want is one more touch of your sweet caress, your sweet caress. I know I can do better if we could only find a way. Tell me, darling, do you ever think of me that way? Just want you to hold me closer than ever. Let's get to this sad and lonely road to emptiness. And why don't you hold me? Please don't say never. And all I want is one more touch of your sweet caress, your sweet caress.
All right, guys, we have already dropped our trailer here at Breinigsville. We're hooking up to our loaded one now. Had a hard time finding an empty place to put my trailer, my empty trailer, an empty parking spot. Finally figured something out. We had to make one. So we're gonna get hooked up now and try to get out of here as soon as we can. Let's take a look at something, guys. Don't like these stickers here, they don't look right. Looks like somebody's doctored them. Let's see, 11 of 18. I guess so. 11, 12 of 18. It was inspected, okay. I was just verifying that this sticker was correct. Well, it does say 18, but when it has another sticker over the top of it, like there's another sticker here, somebody could just doctor that up to make it look good. So what I can do is go in here to the documents box and check the inspection sheet on here and make sure that matches, and it does, so that's good. Definitely want a trailer that's totally legal. Okay, that looks good. Alright guys, let's take a look at things under here. Look pretty good. Alright, let's check the seal. And 6059, that's right. Let's put the lock on. Okay, everything looks good on the trailer here, so we're going to get our paperwork done. Get that light turned off, put that in there. Alright guys, we have gotten our loaded trailer out the gate here. We are parked in the driveway. And I just realized I forgot to fill out my spotted lanternfly permit inspection. And we'll do that real quick and then we'll be on the way. We've got 300 miles up to Greece, New York, and we got a delivery window tomorrow between 11 and 1, so we're still in fine shape for that. Okay, anyway, we will get back to you a little bit later. We are headed towards Greece, New York. Sun's going down. It's kind of twilight right now, so probably not going to show up too good on the video here, but we will get back with you again when we get up to Greece, or if we stop anywhere along the way. Okay guys, we made it in here to Greece, New York. We're all done for the day. Gonna hit the hay now. Thanks for joining me today here on the Trucker John Show. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.